So after you've had a chance to download the files from the WeTransfer website, it should show up automatically under your downloads folder on your computer. Now, if we were to double click on this, if we have something called an unzipping tool, it will automatically pop open inside that program. If you didn't have a new program open up, what you can do instead is you can right click on the file, and then you want to look for the option that says open with. Now, I have a lot of other options here that you may not have. Don't worry about that, but you want to choose the option where it says open with, and then you want to choose where it says choose another app. So by clicking choose another app, this other little window is going to pop up. Now, from here, I want to check the box that says always use this app to open .zip files, and then I want to choose, WinRAR Archiver as my option. If you're using 7-zip, you can use 7-zip. If you're using a different form of WinRAR, that's fine. But I want to make sure that this is my option, and I'm going to double click that. Once I do that, I click and go OK. And now it will show up automatically in this program. And for everything in the future, as soon as you have a zip file, it will automatically open up inside this. So once I've done that, these are all my files. So what I can do is I can choose a picture at random, and it will open up those pictures for me to view. Now, if I want to save these and access them anytime, I need to take them out of the zip file, which currently it's still in there. So what you want to do is you want to put your cursor on the top option. By doing that, it's going to take the contents of everything that's below it. Also, what you could do is you can choose the top number, scroll all the way down, hold the shift key, and click the bottom one. That's another way to highlight all the files. Personally, it's just easier to choose the top one. Once you do that, you want to choose the option to extract. Once you click extract, don't touch anything else. You can leave it just as it is, and you're going to click OK. And then what's going to happen is you're going to have a little box show up that's going to show you your transfer. So as you can see, for my computer, it's past halfway done. And there we go. As soon as that window disappears, it means that everything was completely transferred. So I'm going to close this really quickly just to show you that it pops up. So if I scroll down, there should be a folder that has the exact same title as the WeTransfer that occurred. So I have WeTransfer and then the special code that Caitlin used for her access. So if I click that, everything should show up in there. Now, if you have a Windows 7 or Windows 10 computer, what should end up happening is it should automatically start showing all of these pictures. If for whatever reason they're not, what you can do is you can right-click anywhere inside the box. And then as far as view goes, you can choose how you want them to show up. If it's listed as an icons, it will show you the pictures. If it's listed as just a list, you're just going to get raw data. So I generally go view and then do large icons. If you want to, you can go extra large icons if you want to see them a little bit larger. And that's a very quick way to see a preview of all the pictures. Now, as far as the videos go, you're just going to have to double click on each of these videos. These are what they call MOV video files. And if you have a Windows 7 or 10, if you double click on them, it should open up a program called Windows Media Player, which will automatically start playing the files for you. If it doesn't, you can use something called Movies and TV as well. Don't mind all my background pictures from my videos that I did for teaching. But these are the options that are available to you. So to recap all that really quickly, we want to open the transfer file. If it doesn't show up, you right-click and click Open With, and you want to choose your WinRAR program. You put your cursor on the top one, not on individual files, but on the top one, which will be all. You click Extract To, and you click OK. A little dialog box is going to pop up right here, which is going to show you exactly how long it takes for your file to transfer. My computer took about 15 seconds. It may take yours a little bit longer. Once that's done, in your Downloads folder, you're also going to have another new folder with the exact same title as the zip file. When you click on that, everything should show up in there. If it's not showing up as the actual pictures, and instead of just showing information, what you do is you right-click with your mouse, and you click View, and choose one of the icon options. Extra large is this size. I generally keep it at large so that way I can kind of see everything on one screen.